It says, for the floor plan below, is it possible to find a circuit that passes through each doorway exactly one time? Well, I'm going to create a graph for you. I'm going to do A, B, C, D, and E. So A, B, C, D, and E. So we've got from A to B. A can go to D, and that's it. So D has 1, 2, 3 doorways. C has 2 doorways. And you can go from B to E. B has 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is odd. This one is even. This one is odd. This one is even.
Professor, can't you go to A to E2?
Yes. Thank you. So now this is odd. This one is odd. This one is even. Okay, so this one is odd. That's odd. That's odd. That's odd. Uh-oh. So it looks like I have 4 odd vertices. So can we go through a doorway that each doorway exactly one time? If there were 2 odds, we could, and we'd have to start and end at those rooms. But now with 3 or more odd vertices, it's impossible. You can try it. We can start at A, we can go there, then we can go there, then let's go here, then let's go here, let's go here. You see, you get stuck at B. No matter how you try it, it's like the Kernsburg Bridge problem. You're gonna get stuck.